talk about how can you restore from backup on your Score Planner app. We're going to figure out the solution or not how you can do that on your Score Planner app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on backup and restore, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just click here on restore from backup, you just click on it here. So then here it's going to restore with you from backup now. It's like you see, restore is completed now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.